We'll demonstrate lazy daisy stitch. Can see there are 6 petals above. We start from any one petal. Come up at center position. Then take down at same position again. Don't pull tight. Leave a loop on fabric. Can hold it down with finger. Come up at middle position above petal. When coming up, needle must go through loop. Needle must be inside loop. This way can securely catch this loop. Adjust it to same size as drawn pattern. Take down close to outer edge. Now one independent lazy daisy stitch is complete. Its shape resembles a small daisy, so we call it lazy daisy stitch. Let me demonstrate again. Come up from center. Take down at same position. Don't pull tight. Leave a loop on fabric. Come up at middle position above it. Take down close to outer edge, creating a teardrop shape. Then return to center and come up. Take down at same position. Pull thread. Take down close to outer edge. Following these operation steps, complete all remaining pattern. Each stitch is connected and fixed by loop, forming an independent stitch. This stitch is suitable for some flowers or leaf embroidery. Can create delicate and realistic effects, especially for stitching flowers. Takedown. Let's see the finished effect. Delicate and realistic like a daisy, isn't it?